everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cinthya and in today's video I will be coloring my hair blue. But before we jump in, I want to give a quick disclaimer that this is really bad for your hair. I mean, your hair can literally fall off if you're overdoing it or if you're doing it wrong. So keep that in mind, and if this is something that interests you, then keep on watching. So you will need bleach. Obviously, I got this bleach by Berina 30 volume developer to go along with the bleach, a brush, aluminium foil. I got this semi-permanent color from Crazy Colors by Rainbow in the shade Bubblegum Blue. You will also need a conditioner. You can use any conditioner that you have. Make sure you wear an old t-shirt because you will be staining your clothes. Wear gloves for safety.
It's not for me to say.
The consistency of the bleach and developer should look something like this. Start by sectioning and combing your hair thoroughly. The smaller the sections are, the better it will be. Now place a section of hair on the aluminium foil and start applying the bleach on the hair. While applying the bleach, make sure to saturate the whole section with the bleach. Don't be stingy with the bleach or else you are going to miss spots and it will turn out bad in the end. I'm lightening only the ends of my hair because meko pasand nahi aaya to I can always cut it off. But you can be really experimental with it. You can do your whole hair or only one strand of your hair. I mean, the possibilities are endless. After applying the bleach, fold the foil like so and move on to the next section. Repeat the same steps to all of your hair. It took me about 30 to 35 minutes to do all of my hair.
It's not for me to say.
After applying the bleach to all of your hair, leave it on for about 45 minutes and provide some sort of heat to the hair in the meantime for it to cure properly. This is how my hair turned out after leaving the bleach on for 45 minutes. And now let's move on to the fun part where I color my hair. To color your hair, you have to mix the conditioner and the semi-permanent color together, but the conditioner helps in depositing the color properly, but you can use the semi-permanent color directly on your hair, but I prefer using it with the conditioner. Repeat the same steps as you did with the bleach. Section your hair and apply the color, but this time you won't need any foils, so you need to really mush the color into your hair to get proper color. One of the advantages of semi-permanent color, I guess, is that it wears off as you wash your hair and you can apply different colors. You can experiment with different colors on your hair after it wears off.
It's not for me to say.
Also, check out the description box to know the prices of the products that I use and the links of the products. You need to leave the conditioner on for about 30 minutes before you wash your hair off. So yeah, this is how my hair turned out. I'm honestly loving it. I think it is definitely more green than blue. I think that is because I had a lot of orange tones in my hair when I bleached it. Nonetheless, I love it.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
That's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you are considering coloring your hair, and if yes, which color you are going to opt for. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
To say